Hi, parents. Good evening. And personally inviting each one of you for the very powerful workshop that is happening tomorrow. That is Art of Parenting workshop. So, in this workshop, we focus on various areas such as how does a belief system in the child form, how is your child unique, how do you get to know in a scientific way. Various aspects related to your child will be covered in tomorrow's workshop. So, we have doing it tomorrow and the day after tomorrow just to ensure that we accommodate each and every parent of our fly school. I request all of you to take this as an opportunity to come tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Please register yourself in the link that you might have already got and join tomorrow. We also request you to bring one pen and paper and be fully present during the workshop time tomorrow. Look forward to seeing you all in more numbers tomorrow or the day after. Thank you so much. Have a great day.